Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, victory meaning victory, and innovative investment strategies. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is December 26, 2022. It is a very exciting day today. Market had a powerful short covering rally. If you recollect, in US markets, we told on Saturday itself that next week, that is this week, we will have a good up move coming in the US markets. Same thing, because Friday it was extremely oversold. So due to which there was a short covering that was expected. Probably I expected 500, 600 points, but it even at one stage nearly BankNifty was nearly around 900 to 1000 points above the yesterday's close. So which is a very good signal. Why? Because today after opening it went below yesterday's low and thereafter it moved up powerfully. So all the banking stocks and financial stocks once again supported. In fact, today every sector supported excepting health and pharma, and the standout performer, I mean on the not so positive side, is Nestle. Other than that, everything was today in a significant up move. So hence overall Nifty and Bank Nifty moved up. So when we analyze these stocks, HDFC Bank, Friday itself, though it went down, Friday it was near the Bollinger lower band, and then today it opened a gap up, and then like it started holding there and started moving up furiously towards the end. ICICI Bank had a good short covering. SBI had a very powerful short covering. In fact, 30 points difference, 25 points difference between today's high and low. So you can see the powerful up move that it had happened. A low of 575 or so it touched today. So IndusInd Bank was another which was moving up, and Axis Bank, as always, like it is in a good uptrend, it was moving up. With all these things, the only banking stock, of course, PSU banks fired. The only banking stock that didn't fire was Kotak Bank. Kotak also went to a low of 1796 levels, and in fact that will be the low for the year we expect. And in fact next year, if you recollect, we have been telling that Kotak will close somewhere between 1797 to 1820 levels by the end of this year. If that happens, these are all technical, because it is nothing but it is going to form a doji star in the yearly chart. That's all, nothing else. So if that happens next year, and if it opens gap up on 2nd of Jan, we can be reasonably certain that it is going to have a good up move next year, Kotak Bank. Okay, with all these things, let's analyze. Banks, nothing went down, as I said. ICICI Bank 1% up, AU, Axis, HDFC 2% up, Bandhan 3% up, SBI and Indus 4% up, IDFC 5% up, Federal 6%, and Yes Bank had a big up move of 12%. On the financials, nothing moved, nothing fell. Chola, once again, like 700 levels was holding as strong support for Chola. So it moved up from there, and HDFC also moved up by 1%. HDFC, yes, now it is above the 50-day moving average, it's moving up. Bajaj Finserv and Manappuram and Muthoot 2% up. L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance and M&M Finance 3% up. IDFC and Shriram 4% up. On the insurance and cards, nothing fell, while ICICI General, ICICI Pru and SBI Life 1% up. We had a good up move of 3% in SBI cards, 4% in LIC. Oil and telecom, Bharti remained flat, Reliance up 1%. So Bharti now it will go sideways, and then we can see how it goes next year. In this next 4 days, don't expect big up move from Bharti. Reliance, yes, it will be hovering around there. On the IT, nothing fell, while 1% up move in Coforge, LTTS, TCS, Wipro, Affle and LTM 1%, Intellect 3%, Birlasat 4%. The others like SCL, TCS and Infi all remained flat. So they are taking support at the 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average. So that is where they are taking support. So we expect it to bounce if it holds these levels. So we have to see how it performs in the next 3 days. Consumer goods, Nestle 1% down, as I said earlier. ABFRL, Britannia, Page, Pidilite 1% up. ITC, PVR and Berger 2% up. DMart 4% up and Trent up by 5%. So we had automobiles, nothing fell again. 1% up move in Eicher, M&M and Maruti. 2% up move in Ashok Leyland, Hero Motors, Tata Motors. 4% up move in Bharat Forge and 7% up move in Motors and Sumi. Metals, nothing fell. Jindal fell 1%, coal and SAIL fell 2%, Hindalco, National Aluminium and Tata Steel 3% down, Vedanta and NMDC 4% down. Health and pharma, this is one sector which underperformed. So whenever there is a risk on trade, this sector will underperform. That was obvious. 1% down in Dr. Reddy Metro, 2% down in Divi, Cipla, Lalpath and Thyrocare. Others like Apollo, Sun Pharma remained flat. Others, here nothing fell. 1% up move in Adani Ports, Havels, UPL. 2% up move in L&T, Adani Enterprise, APL Apollo, Aris, Indigo, IRCTC, Jubilant Food, MCX, Ultratech. 3% up move in Godrej Properties, India Mart and Polycab. DLF had a big up move of 4% along with Nykaa, and Delta Corp again big up move of 5%, and Zomato had a 8% up move. So with all these things, what do we expect? Now, like whatever the fall was completely erased today, and it is above the previous week's close also now. With all these things, and now we would expect a powerful closing for the month end. So hence the range, the support is at 41,500.15. It's slightly below the today's low that it formed, and on the upward side resistance is going to be 823.36. That is few hundred points above the last week's high. Then low for Nifty is 17,711.20. Again today's low, slightly below today's low, and 530.30 on the upward side. 530.30, that's previous week's high plus few points. So with all these things, so we expect the next 2-3 days should be a reasonably cool market, not a volatile market. That's what we feel. Thank you very much.